This video, I'll show you where to get coupons for Starbucks. If you find this video useful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into it. Alright, on my device, I'm going to open up any web browser. I'm going to go to Google, and now from here, I'm going to type in coupons for Starbucks. And now once you've done that, you'll have a whole list of third-party sites here you can choose from. You've got Frugal Feeds, Groupon, Real Time, Wheat, Thrift It, Worth a Penny, etc. So any one of these third-party sites will work. So if one site doesn't work, just move on to the next one, because every now and then these codes expire. So for this demonstration, when I use We Thrift It, I find this is a pretty good website to get coupon codes or discount codes. So here you go. Here you got 50% off. The best Starbucks coupon code is that code there. And you can even show the history of these codes. So you can see this one here was used 8 hours ago with a total of 17,000 total uses. So to use this code, click on copy code and then paste that code at the checkout section when you're ordering at Starbucks to activate your 50% off your order.